Good evening, everybody. It's Guns, David Guns coming to you on this Wednesday afternoon, December 19th, 2018, 4:10 p.m. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, well, obviously we're in a car wash. We're in Buddy's favorite thing. He likes going to car washes. But, could it be? Are we driving the Dodge conversion van? Well, let's see. Yep. Figure it out. Take it out and give it a little bit of a wash, a little bit of a wax. You know, since it's been sitting for, sitting for like 6 months. So I just there at the local car wash, giving it a little bit of wash and wax. And you see, Buddy likes car wash. He likes going through the car wash. So, yeah, this is it. Just taking out the van, the Dodge conversion van. Oh yeah, it's a LCD. It's a 2002. Just to let you know. Yeah, I still have it, along with my Chevy van and my other vehicles and that, so, but that's about it. Oh yeah, LCD isn't hiding right now, but he's going to come back with the bullshit story, trust me. So, this is Guns, David Guns, signing out on this Wednesday, December 19th at 4:11 p.m.